Hello everyone. What we have here is a vintage Kmart box fan. All metal construction. I don't know much about it. It was a flea market find some years ago. It was in rough shape when I found it. It was dirty, filthy. I've cleaned it up. I've used it for a while. It's been out in my shed for a couple years now. So it's obviously in even rougher shape. But it still works. I don't know the model number or anything other than it's a Kmart brand. I'll go ahead and start it up on high and work our way to low. And you can take a look at it. Now medium. Now low. Airflow's dropped a lot. Yeah, it has had some issues since I got it. Originally from a flea market, like I said. But it probably needs to be oiled because it's been out in my shed for a few years. So it'll probably take a while for the motor to get up to full speed on low. But high and medium, yeah, high and medium work no problem though. But it's still running fine, still moves a good bit of air on low. A lot more than today's shitty box fans. Oh, plastic, embrace bladed technology, as Emerson Colley says. So, put it back on high and you can watch the spin down. Like I said, it probably needs oil. It hasn't been raining in a few years, but flip it around and see if I can get you to hear the engine startup sound. You can see it's dirty. Like I said, it was filthy when I got it from the flea market to begin with. I think I paid about $5 for this years ago, probably 10 years ago, less than that, more than that, I don't remember. Start it up on high. Yeah, you can tell it needs oil for the low to work. But this is the review of my vintage Kmart box fan. Take care.